If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do like and subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome to AA Pathshala interview questions. So we'll discuss about Python interview question. Second one, out of these data structures, which are mutable and immutable? So we'll discuss what is mutable and what is immutable data structure. Right? So these are 5 data structures: list, string, tuple, set and dictionary. So mutable is nothing but which we can create, read, update and delete. So if we can do all these CRUD operations, right, it is called mutable data structure. So string is immutable because we can't update it once we create it. So we can do create, read and delete, but we can't update it. So whereas tuple also an immutable data structure, we can create, read and delete, we can't update it. So set is an mutable data structure, we can create, read, update and delete. So but the elements inside the set are immutable data types, right? So dictionary is mutable data structure, which is create, read, update and delete. We can do all CRUD operations. We'll see creating list, right? So we can create the list. I had created using 1 2 3 4. So there is no 3, only 4, 1 2 4. And then I can able to create it, I can able to read it, so I can able to update it using a function called append. I had appended 5 at the end. I can delete the list. Once deleted, we can't read it. So in the similar fashion, so string is an immutable data structure as we discussed. So we can create, read, but we can't update it. So we had created it, we had read it, we can't update it, but we can delete it, right? String name is not defined. So tuple is an immutable as we discussed. So we can create, read, but we can't update it, right? We can delete it. Set is an mutable data structure, but the elements inside the set are immutable data structure, right? So we'll see create, read, but we can't, but we can update it because it is mutable data structure. We have updated the 4 at the end, and then we can delete it, right? We can do all CRUD operations in the set because it is mutable data structure, right? The elements inside the set are immutable. So dictionary we can create, read and update and delete. So mutable data structure, right? We can delete it. We have updated with a new item inside the dictionary with the 4 key and 5 as value. So we'll summarize the thing. So list is an mutable data structure. Create, read, update and delete. We had seen all 4 operations on top of list. So string is immutable data structure. We had seen create, read and delete. We can't update it. So tuple is an immutable data structure. We had seen create, read and delete. We can't see update. So these are 2 different immutable data structures, and set is mutable and dictionary is mutable, right? So list, set and dictionary are mutable. We can do all 4 CRUD operations, whereas 2 data structures like string and tuple, we can't change it once we declare it. Change in the sense we can't update it once we declare it.
I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries and we will reply to them at the earliest. To look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to our AI Pathshala channel to learn more. Happy learning.